Alay at tusok-tusok dala ng milk tea. Kahawak kamay natin ang maybe complex vitamins na tama ang dose. Kaya mas feel mo, siguro dyan hindi na dyan.
Huwag iwasan si Brown. Iwasan ang safeguard. Na-safeguard Moral Milk with Aloe. Ang nag-clean service with 99 hour protection from liver infection causing birth. Deep pain for secureness and more protection to the side skin is beautiful skin. Safeguard Moral Milk with Aloe.
Iniyak o prito?
Eh di pareho, ikaw sa grilled yan ko, ako sa fried bakos.
Ano sikreto mo?
Ito, Norling Consider.
Sabi ko na nga ba eh.
Meron itong tamang balanse ng tamis at alat.
Pwedeng pang marinig, pang timpla sa minuto, o sa asawan. Kaya halos lahat ng ulam, kayang gawin katapagpakan. Norling Sizzling, gagawin ka sa...
Today, we're surrounded by unimaginable amounts of data. More than we know what to do with. But what if we could give all of this a greater purpose? Combine artificial intelligence and advanced analytics with the Internet of Things. We're using big data to reach deeper insights. To co-create a better tomorrow. The future is open to suggestions. This is social innovation. Touch. Inspire the next.
Problema, magdidiskartehan. Ano man ang kailangan, magagawa ng paraan. Facebook live mo na lang ka. Ano lang bigat, napapadali. Ang gamit ko, PM mo siya. PM, first and only ID ka, na easy ang meron. Ang bilang yung sa ulit, ito, hindi tayo mas paano na rin. Madali, mga pamilya, trabaho, at pagkana. Masaya mo lahat. Ito yung music guys. Ang skin ko is precision, hydrophilic, at mga gold. Kaya I use Clarence Male Energy Charge with coffee bean extract. Find 5 sun colors. Get whiter, get energized. Get Clarence Male. We might change.